Hello, guys. Good evening, everyone. Michael, and thank you for joining the class. I would like to introduce you to an app I use in trading. It's called Bondu. And I love the app. I love the app. Very easy to use. Very easy to use. So once you come on to the app, you sign up. You do your verification. You get all your details will be uploaded. They'll ask you for your details, your name, your username, your email and phone number. They'll ask you for your name verification, identification, and all that. So you can also refer people. You can also refer people. You invite your friend, then your friend register and trade 5,000 naira. you get you get 750 and 25 of bundle coin. So that's why I'm employing you guys to start trading. You get to start trading. There are some people that have joined but are yet to trade. Okay, good. So bundle is very easy to use. Now let us go to let us go back. Let us assume this is bundle. Let us assume you want to start trading. You want to buy cash. But let me show you most of the coin they trade. They trade Bitcoin. They trade this chess. They trade Ethereum, BNB, SRP, ADA, that is Kaduna, Matic, that is Polygon. They also trade their own coin, bundle coin. They trade BitTorrent, they trade BUSD and several coin. For now, they are limited to several coins. This is why I like this is because it has plenty coins than Quidas, the Nigeria Quidas. It's also owned by a Nigerian, but I prefer Bundle. So they have many coins you can trade with. You can trade dots, you can trade Ethereum cake, you get and the likes. This is Naira. So now uh for you to get your cash done, let me look at my profile. Okay, any updates? Let me see. Okay, there are some updates. Now they have app. You can see they have app on bundles that supports them. We have cash link. I do use cash link. I've not really used P2P express before. P2P express is that you have a coin. For example, you have a coin. Let it load. You have a coin. Then since you have that coin, you put in your bank details. You put in your bank account. For example, you put in your bank account. You add your account number. Okay, let me try using my bank details. Let me try using my bank details for any of you that want to drop money into my bank account. For example, that is 20 58 94 94 74. You click on add account. You put the amount you want to withdraw. Five. Let us say 5,000 naira. You continue. Then you click on where you have money, where you want to withdraw. Where do you want to withdraw? Let me say USDT. You get USDT. Now the amount to pay, you get this is the amount they will pay you. This is the amount they will pay you at this rate. You get at this rate, at this USDT. USDT is this amount. If you are using Naira, you can use Naira directly. I like using Naira, so they'll pay you. I don't have balance in my USDT, zero. So immediately they pay you, you just click on it, you get this amount. Straight up, you get this amount of USDT. You get this amount, and this amount of USDT is not cheap. In other places, I do see USDT to be around 506 or so, 506. So once you click on it, they'll send it to your bank account straight. You get, they'll send it to your bank account straight, to your USDT account. You'll be debited with your USDT, that is in dollars, if you are using an account, dollars account. So if you go to cash link, I also love cash link. You get cash link. I have completed some transactions there. I have completed some transactions there, which you are seeing. It was deposited. I deposited money to this person. It's like P2P. The person charged 1 naira for the transaction. I deposited money to him, P2P. Then he sent it to my Quidas, to my bundles account. Send it to my bundle account. So let's take a look. Send it to my bundles account. Now this is this is this person charged 0 naira for 6,000 naira. I did. You get, charge 0 naira because we are using Quidas. Another person charge, okay, completed, charge 5 naira, inclusive 5 naira for the 10 naira. So it's just like P2P, like uh P2P. So if you want to withdraw cash, tap on withdraw. You get, if you want to deposit cash, you tap on cash fund. This is what they are saying. Let us go back. Let us say you have money like me in this account. You want to withdraw cash, you want to add cash, you go to add cash. So you go to add cash. This is add cash. You write the amount you need. If you need 50,000 or 5,000, you go to next. You go to next. The minimum you can trade on bundle is 5,500. So you choose your account. You can add new method. You can use carbon, which is a loan. Maybe you collect loan, you want to use and trade, it's not advisable. You can use cheaper cash. You can use any wallet, abeg wallet. You can use opay. You have money in your opay, you want to send it, you have wallet Africa, you have Kudas account. So this is all straight to your, from your bank account. So me, I use Kudas account because they give me free access to deposit. So this person now is charging zero fee. This person here is, this person is charging 100 naira for transfer. Check, this person is charging zero fee for this transfer. So you can say send deposit request. Once you send it, you click on it, it will, and you copy the link, this thing. I don't want to click on it so that it not capture it. So once you click on it, you copy the person link and click paid. You get, you click paid. Okay, let me click on it for this class. You get send deposit request. You get, you click on I have paid. Once you click on I have paid, the person will receive it, then send your account. You get, send your account. So another way to do is that you withdraw. You want to withdraw via cash link. You put the amount you want to withdraw. You put the amount you want to withdraw. You say next. Okay, I don't have sufficient amount in my listing. You can withdraw 100 naira. So once you say next, you put the bank, all your bank details and wherever. Once you are done, they'll post your advert on the cash link. So anybody that sees it will click on it and transfer the money. Then cash link will hold your transaction, your coin. While once they transfer the money to you, you get, once the money is transferred to you and you confirm transferred, cashlink will give the person the coin. So that's as simple as that. So you can withdraw, you can use it, choose from gift card and all that things. So how to trade? Let me say I want to trade Bitcoin. and I have money, I will just go to buy. You can go to buy. You can go if you want to receive coin. You see this receive section here. You go to receive. You see you call okay. The minimum of Bitcoin you can deposit in your wallet is 0.00. Please don't not deposit a smaller amount. Okay, I understand. So you copy the address, then send it to that person. Maybe you can send it to your WhatsApp number. You get once you send it to your WhatsApp number, this is my address. I paste it here. I send it to the person already. So that's not what I'm. So okay. So you can withdraw here. Okay, I've left the withdraw. You can come here. You get if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw. If you want to buy, you can buy. If you want to sell, you can sell. You can receive and withdraw. So this is the amount. This is the amount. This is the amount they are buying. This is the amount they are selling. So you wait. If you bought at this price, you wait a little more until the price at which you bought is higher than the price at which you want to sell. You can't sell at this 15.9. If you buy at 16.1, you can't sell at 15.9. You make loss. So you wait for the price to increase to like maybe 16 or 17 million before you sell off. So it's very easy to trade. You can also change it from USDT to Naira. So also I will also advise you to always use uh tap trader tap to trader to check your transaction when using bundle. Use tap trader. You get once you download tap trader, it will be very easier for you to follow the transaction, the movement of the coin and whatever you are following. So it's as easy as that. Good night.